The COS Practice Resource Centre is the centralized Canadian online hub for curated educational resources and tools based on solid guiding principles and the work of many great contributors. Why is the PRC important? The PRC is the go-to source for the whole spectrum of ophthalmology, from practicing ophthalmologists to fellows, residents, and medical students. Both the content and reach of the PRC is for our national and international ophthalmology community. The Practice Resource Centre is unique because it's the only site with curated ophthalmological content for a Canadian audience. It also contains COS-specific resources such as position statements, webinars, and educational guidelines that can only be found on the PRC. As an added bonus, there is a COS members-only section, content, and favorites function where individual users can create their own preferred list of resources.
So some of the most exciting features of the PRC are the ability to sort by subspecialty and content type. There's also a reading list feature where you can save content for later reading when you don't have a chance to read the content in the moment. There's also a feature called What We're Talking About, which links directly to the COS's social media feeds so you can see the most timely and relevant content, as well as a like feature, which allows COS members to indicate what content they're most interested in. Anyone can submit a submission to the PRC directly on the website, and those submissions are then reviewed by the PRC committee. The committee itself also brainstorms and tries to develop new content for the PRC that we think would be highly relevant to the COS membership.
I am very proud of the PRC. It allows us to easily and equally share educational opportunities and resources among COS members nationally and beyond.
So regardless of what stage of your career you're in, whether you're a medical student, resident, practicing ophthalmologist, or professional within the ophthalmology community, the PRC can be an invaluable resource to continue your professional development.